Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to The Marketect. Today I have got a great unboxing for you. If you recall in the last video, my wife told me that when I posted my first video, I could get a new set. She totally surprised me. I have no idea what is in this box. So let's open it together and find out. Okay, here we go. I can't wait to see what's in here. She has been talking about it for days and days and days. And now I finally get to see what is in the box. No way! Wow! Check this out. It is Simba from The Lion King. This is the next set we're gonna build. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get into this. Okay, so again, it's Disney's The Lion King. This is set number 43247. It's got 1,445 pieces, and let's just get right into this. Let's open this box and see what we got. Okay, so here we go. Wow. All right. Looks like we've got about 14 bags. There's a lot of yellow. There is a lot of yellow. All right, we got our instruction booklet here. And yeah, let's get organized and, oh, sorry. 15. Missed one. Let's get building. Okay, we've got all our bags laid out. Again, there's our instruction booklet. Let's get building. Okay, everybody. Simba's all done. Take a look. He's so cute. I loved this build. It was so much fun. Seeing the legs come together, his feet back here, putting his head and face together was so much fun. You could just see it taking shape with his eyes and ears, the mouth and whiskers. It's so cool. And his head rotates. So, you know, you can pose him and his tail moves back here. You know, these little pieces on the end, they rotate. You can pull this off here. If I can get it off, there we go. And then just flip it around. So, you know, and just pose it different ways. And now he's, you know, you can kind of see all the different playability features with the build here. Again, this was such a fun build. You can see a lot of gold yellow bricks, some tan here for his chest and feet. You know, it's just all around. Lego did such a great job with this, and it looks like a real lion cub. It's just so crazy how they can do that. Okay, everyone, thanks again for watching today as we built Simba. Remember, if you liked this video, give me that thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't, pretend you did and do it anyway, because that's a Markitect way. Make sure to keep an eye out for the next video to see what we build next. Take care.